Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, it's been a super long time since you've seen one of these videos that we're about to do. We're about to show you another item that somebody has sent us and they wanted us to give it a try. But in the past, we've actually done some reviews for this company before, and we do like their items. So they decided to send us something else, and we're about to show you it and show you actually how it works. But before I show you this next item, remember guys, hit that subscribe button, comment, share, all that fun stuff so that you're notified next time we do any type of video on this channel. So let's get into this. Okay guys, don't mind the mess first off, but here we go. Here we ended up getting this camera from Dzees. I'm hoping I'm saying that right, but this one right here is a smart security camera. This is the CA49. I think, if I'm not mistaken, they actually say this is kind of a pet camera, but it has the typical USB Type-C charger. It looks pretty small, which is going to be great. We're actually going to try this out with our dog. It could probably not be used for a pet camera. Just an everyday camera around your house if you wanted to watch a door or something. But we're going to get this open and show you what it looks like. So the one thing you want to do beforehand, I would say, is actually get this Dzees home app. There we go. It's super easy to use, if I remember. They probably got to sign in and everything. So that is the app. You can sign in and control all your cameras with that. Okay, so we're going to open up the box here, show you the contents, and then show you how to set it up. So packaging comes really nice. I'm guessing this is probably going to be the USB charger for this. Yep, we got the charger with the wall pack right here. It's white. I don't know if they actually come in other colors, but I will put the link down in the description below to this camera. And here we go. Here's the instructions, but honestly, do we ever really read these? Here we go. There, it's in English, Dutch, Japanese, French, Italian, and Spanish. So there we go. Super easy though. It looks like, there you go. Add the camera to the app, which I'll show you how to do. Account registration, which we did. Prep it for connection, connect the camera to the app, stuff like that. It's actually very simple. It has the indicator light status. Working mode will be solid blue, sleep mode no light, and waiting for connection will be a rapid blinking blue light. There we go. So it's actually pretty simple, maybe only about 8 pages worth of instructions. There you go. You can follow them on the web, Facebook, and they also have a YouTube channel too. So there we go. So let's check out this camera real quick. Super lightweight. It looks like that got stuck. So here we go with this camera. Now it looks like this actually moves, which I don't want to move it too much so I don't break it. Yeah, this thing looks pretty simple. I'm guessing you could probably buy a stand so you can connect this to something right here. Looks like you could actually put a memory card up here in this slot. There's the reset button. I'm guessing this is the power button. We're going to remove this because it'll say to remove. There. Really nice, slick looking camera. There's going to be the speaker, so if you want to talk through it. Like I said, this is color white. It is made in China. This is the CA49 camera. So let's actually add this to the app and see how easy it is. Sorry about the mess, guys. I'm trying to do a ton of stuff. But yeah, you go in the app, hit add device. It says allow to find a connected, determine relative position, allow battery device. Long press the power button, which that actually looks like the power button might be the reset button. It says until it emits a sound. Yeah, I'm going to guess that it's not charged. So we're going to plug this in and actually see. Okay, so luckily we had a plug close that was actually free. Plug the charger in right here. So it actually says the power button is the reset button. So we're going to press that, see if we actually hear a tone or anything. Not sure if I have to lift it. Oh, there's the tone. So there you go. You can actually see the flashing blue light. It's actually pretty cool. Plug in the device. I'm going to click I heard a sound right there for the next step. Searching for activated devices. And there we go. There's the CA49. There's the serial number. Actually shows the Wi-Fi. So we're going to click on that. It is configuring Wi-Fi for the device, which I'm not gonna actually show you guys this because I gotta type my Wi-Fi password in. I'm not even 100% sure what my password is. Okay, so I got my Wi-Fi password typed in. Now it's actually saying about connecting temporarily for the Wi-Fi through the device. So it is actually searching right there. Try to show it. Don't want to show any personal information though. It is connect the device to the network, which that's what it's working on. It's going to go hopefully next to the new device found. The blue light is still flashing. See right there, so it's just taking a second to connect. 6 to 12 inches away. Let's see if we manage this one. Keep the phone about 6 inches away from the device and complete the scanning. It is not scanning now. So I'm going to scan the QR code on the bottom, which that's right here on the side actually. There we go, scanned it there. Okay, so that's just taking me to that. So we're going to scan it. It actually says hit the power button twice to put in the scanning mode. It's actually a little bit more difficult than I was expecting.
Wi-Fi connection failed. Wi-Fi password error.
Okay, so there we go. We got that. Let's try this now. Oops, I did miss a letter in there, so that's why it's not working. So let's see, it was my fault. So it is connecting to the device. Now, maybe we can get this scanned. There we go. New device found. It's registering it to the cloud network. Initializing device. So there we go. So actually, we could connect. So set a name, and we will actually put it. Actually, we're going to put it in the garage only because that's where the dog is. That's where the dog will be. I'm actually going to put dog as the name. Garage, put your location. You can put back door, office, living room, garden, pretty much anywhere you want. So now it says, let's start. How to install the device. Confirm. Wi-Fi strength is strong, which is always good. Select the ideal spot. Pick a prime location for your camera that offers an unobstructed view within your network's range. You can install on a desk, a wall, a ceiling, which is probably why it has the mounting option. Maintain a gap of at least 10 inches between the camera lens and any objects to the side. Prevent overexposure, so it tells you 10 inches from every which way. Now it says you're all set. Adjust the live stream to check the camera's image, and adjust the lens to capture the area you want to monitor. So let's see if I can show us a live stream. You get 1 month plus free for Smart Push. We are not going to do that. Here's what you get free. You get motion alerts, no Smart Push, no activity zone, person detection, pet detection. But if you do the plus for up to 30 days, you get all those options. So something that you can try. We're going to do free though. They will push notifications. I'm not going to enable those now though. It says firmware. I'm going to do that later. So here, so we're hit play. And actually, there you go. There's the camera right there. We're going to turn it so you can look. And there you go. So actually, now you got 2 shots of this. So you can actually see how we're filming this with the camera here. But actually really nice camera quality, I think. The thing looks pretty good. So we're going to test it out. Like I said, we have somewhere to go this weekend. We're going to go to a concert. So we're going to put this in. We are kind of curious to see what the dog does throughout the day. So pretty cool right there. So far, I like this camera. The camera quality is really good, at least right there. We'll see how it is when we're looking at the dog. Not the easiest setup. Maybe it's because I typed in my password wrong. Maybe if I typed the password in, it might have went smoother, because it did scan pretty quick. So I'm going to say that was user error and not the camera's fault. So overall setup's pretty easy if you follow the instructions and know your password. So easy setup, nice looking camera, super lightweight. So let's go get this set up and see what happens. Okay, so here it is working in our garage right here. This actually is a live view. The dog is in there, but you can actually use these controls here to control the camera. You can push it up, push it down. You can talk, you can do all that fun stuff. It's actually a really good picture. It shows everything. It shows your Wi-Fi strength. You can do an audible alarm, magic picks, and there's even some more on there. I'm not sure what that does. We didn't even position, motion tracking, sleep, sound. So Really, really cool camera. So overall, guys, this camera is actually really good. Setup was, like I mentioned, was a little bit tricky, but it's because I didn't follow the instructions. So if you follow the instructions, setup for this camera is actually super simple. This is one of the nicer cameras. Now, we do have other cameras up around the house too, but this one's a nice indoor camera. We used it actually while the dog was in the garage and we were away. You can talk to the dog, you can see stuff. It's just a nice camera in general. So if you're interested in this camera, go check out the link in the description down below. Go purchase it over on Amazon, get it all set up, and you will not be disappointed with this camera. And honestly, for the price point on this camera, it's pretty good. Remember, guys, if you like this video, remember hit that like button, subscribe, comment, share, all that fun stuff so that you're notified next time we do one of these videos or one of the other videos we do on this channel. Until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.